Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. In this video we will learn that how we can create wood text effect in Microsoft Word. So let's start. First click on Insert tab, click on Shapes, select the star from here. Now drag the star. So you can see Format tab is added here. Click on Shape Fill, then select the texture and select the wood texture from here. Now again click on Insert tab, then click on Word Art. Select the word art style and add your text here. Then click on OK. Now move your text here. Increase its size. Click on 3D effects. Select 3D style from here and change the 3D color. Now click on Shape Fill. Click on Texture and select the same texture from here. Change the 3D color. Click on 3D effects. Then click on Lightning and select 0 degrees. Select text, click on Format tab, click on Change Shape, and which you want you can select from here, just like that. So it was today's video. If you wanna learn, so subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.